guys, welcome back. It's 8 in the morning. As you can see, we're finally getting some more snow. I'm gonna go let the chickens out, and then I'm gonna show you guys the newest addition to our little homestead. So first of all, I'm gonna go in here and check on Elsa. She is in isolation again. I'm treating her for vent gleet. Let's go ahead and turn her light on. Good morning, ma'am. How are we doing? Sitting on some eggs that we're not gonna use because they're pretty gross, and because we're still using medicine on your rear end, so I'm not gonna use any of those eggs. You're eating and drinking good. How's that back end looking? Still not great. Elsa. So this is the second time since she's come to us that she's been dealing with vent gleet. None of the other chickens are having any issues, so I'm doubting that it's like a stress thing, because I would think any of the stressors that would be causing it would be affecting at least one of the other chickens, and they're not. So I'm not really sure what's gonna happen with that, but let's let the rest of them out for the morning. Good morning, chickens. Good morning, Winston. Come on, stragglers. Nothing to say this morning, Winston? All right, so let's see if we have any eggs already. We've been doing pretty well, anywhere between like 12 and 14 a day. The record so far is 16, so let's see what we've got so far this morning. Two. And now for the exciting part, the new addition. So we have Miss Poppy here, the checkered giant. You guys have already met her. Yes, sweetheart, I know I have to fill up your dish. But our newest addition is Pongo. He is also a checkered giant, and he is going to be Poppy's new boyfriend. Yes, good morning, sir. Good morning, handsome boy. Let's just ignore the dogs. Good morning. So yeah, we've got two checkered giants now, Poppy and Pongo. And we're probably going to breed them here very soon so that we have a litter ready for spring, ready to go. We do still have one doe from Duchess and Rex. I am having a really hard time finding anybody who wants to buy her. I've sold all the rest of the kits. We've had a couple of close, but everybody's fallen through. She's such a pretty girl. If we don't sell her, we might just keep her. I actually had someone buy her, take her home, and then send me a message saying that she is a buck, which she is most definitely not. And they returned her, and I sexted her in front of them, and they insisted, no, that's a boy. And I explained gently why it wasn't, but they refused to accept that. So here she is back with us. But yeah, I just wanted to take a minute to show off our new handsome boy, Pongo. Can we see you? Hi. Oh, hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You're hungry, huh? Yeah, let's get you some breakfast. All right, we'll go ahead and feed these guys, and probably give them some hay too as a treat. Poppy already knows what's coming. I gotta shut the door. And last but not least, there you go, my dear. And look, oh, I got a bunch of it on your head. Sorry, buddy. Look. Oh, you're more interested in the pellets. Alright. Then you got these two knuckleheads. Alright, well, this was a quick update, but like I said, I just wanted to introduce you guys to our newest addition, Mr. Pongo. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. See you next time.